Then we have another model that is called the SOSTEC model. SOSTEC model, it is a flexible planning methodology that is used to develop the marketing strategy. SOSTEC, it is basically an acronym that stands for situation, goals, strategy, tactics, actions and control. So when we talk about this model, we are talking about all these things. Situation that the currently our firm is into, what are the goals of our organization related to our product, what are the strategies that should be followed to promote our products and gain more from them, what are the tactics that we can work on for the betterment of our organization, what actions should be taken for the growth of our products, and how to control the various activities of the organization. So it is a flexible planning methodology that is used to develop the marketing strategy. It may be an appropriate tool for reviewing your process and identifying the area of weaknesses that where are we lacking, that can be analyzed using this particular model. So these are the basic four type of marketing model that can be used to market our products in a well defined way. For that, we can use the McKinsey 7S model, we can use the product life cycle model, we can even use our SOSTEC model, and we can also work on the SWOT and the TOES analysis. So these are the few marketing models which you can use to market, to create a better market for your products. Now talking about the marketing decision process. Marketing decision processes, they are categorized by a high level of complexity due to the simultaneous presence of multiple objectives and countless alternative actions which resulting from the combination of major choice options which are available to the decision makers. So when we talk about the marketing decision process, today we have so many alternatives, so many choices available in the market for promoting our products. We can make use of various social media. Now out of all the social media, we have to choose that which social media should be used to gain more profit with less cost involved into it. So we have multiple choices, we have countless alternative actions that we can take to promote our products. So the decision makers there who are making the marketing decisions, they have a vast choice to follow. So the first aim here is particularly broad, and it concerns the application of the predictive models to support the relational marketing strategy. For this purpose, what we can use, we can follow the relational marketing strategies whose purpose is to customize and strengthen the relationship between a company and its customer. So we have the first theme for the marketing decision process, that is the relational marketing strategies, that in what way the relationship between the customer and the company should be built so that it can be strengthened and we can customize our product as per the requirements of the customer. So this kind of theme, this is called the relationship or the relational marketing strategy. The second theme that concerns here is a sales force management. Sales force management purpose, it is to execute the sales and the marketing plans successfully, as well as to teach or train the employees. It necessitates a well-trained sales team versed with the ins and outs of the product or the services, as well as the ability to answer all the customer questions without hesitation. So whatever a sales force management, the purpose of this sales force management is to execute all the sales and all the marketing plans successfully. Whatever people, whatever employees, whosoever we are hiring for the marketing purpose, for the selling purpose, So they should be so well trained that they should be knowing the ins and outs of the product or the service that you are rendering. They should have the ability to answer all kind of questions of the customer without any kind of hesitation. So that is the main second theme, which is called the sales force management. The people who are involved in the sales strategies, their management is again important. So basically, when we talk about the marketing decision process, so we are here focusing on the first theme, which is the relational marketing strategy, and the second theme that we're going to focus is going to be the sales force management. Then talking about the first one out of that is the relational marketing. So the aim of relational marketing strategy is to initiate, strengthen, intensify, and preserve over time the relationship between a company and its stakeholders, represented primarily by its customer, and involves the analysis, the planning, execution, evaluation of the activities which can be carried out to pursue these objectives. So when we talk about the relational marketing, we are focusing on building the relation between the people, between the company and the customer. If we are going to have a good relation with our customer, relation in the way that we understand their requirement, we customize our products according to their requirement. So and we are providing them with the products as and when they require it. So in that way we have to understand our customer. Today, since it is a market of all the competition, there is so much competition in the market, so we have to focus on the customer, that whatever current customers we have, they should retain with us. They should not go to other places to find their products. As and when they require that products reach to them at the optimal price and at the optimal timing. So for that, customer retention, and not only retention, to acquire more customer, we have to work on this relational marketing strategy. So relational marketing strategy, it is a strategy of customer relationship management, that is called CRM. We have in our business intelligence the whole set of tool that is called CRM, which we have discussed earlier in the previous unit, which emphasizes on the customer relation, customer retention, satisfaction, and the lifetime customer value. We have to value our customer in such a way that for his entire lifetime he remains attached to our organization. We have to retain our customer. And how will we retain our customer? By making them satisfied with our products. So CRM, the purpose of CRM is to market to current customer versus new market acquisition through the sales and through the advertising. So every relationship marketing, it needs to include three basic components. First is the customer service, second is the customer feedback, and third is the customer loyalty programs. So when we talk about the relational marketing, we have to focus on all these three things. Not that we have served our customer with the products and our work is done. No, no. We have to work on the providing the customer services for the product. One thing that we should focus on, that every company should focus on, is the customer service. Second is the customer feedback. Once you have given the products to your customer, after maybe 1 month, or depending on your product which you have sold off, after 1 month or maybe after 6 months or maybe the next day itself, you have to take the feedback from the customer related to that product. So that feedback, what will it do? First of all, it will help you understand the requirement of the customer, that if he is satisfied with your product, so what all things you have done that you can work on more. And the customer, what will happen? He will also understand that you are concerned about the customer. You are concerned about his feedback. If this is not done, then what happens? You have sold off the product and you have dropped down the link with the customer, and so the customer feels that he will now have no business with your company. So that way we have to work on attaining the feedback from the customer. and we have to work on various customer loyalty programs. So every relationship marketing, it needs to include these three basic components: customer service, customer feedback, and the customer loyalty program. And this all can be very well done with the help of customer relationship management. That is one tool of our business intelligence. Talking about relational marketing, what all things can be there in the relational marketing? It can be effectively summarized as formulating for each segment, ideally for each customer, the appropriate offer through the most suitable channel at the right time and at the best price. We should know that which segment of the people, which segment of the customer are we targeting. We should target our customer depending on various criteria. That means we can target our customer depending on their location. We can target our customer depending on their age criteria, that what, whether he's a youngster, whether he's a child, or it's an old age person. So we have to work on all these criteria. We have to segment our market in such a way that we can customize, we can understand the requirement of each and every segment of our customer. For relational marketing, what we need to do, we have to serve the people with the right product at right time and at the right price. We should focus on the customer in a customized way. So relational marketing, when we talk about it, includes various things, like it includes a distribution channel. The distribution channel has a major role to play in this relational marketing. Then we have the product service. That means our product, they should be serviced time to time. That is another component, we can say, of relational marketing. Then we have to segment. Segment means we have to distribute our products, our customer, into various segments to target their needs effectively. Another thing that we can do for the relational marketing, sales process. Which sales process should be followed for different people? That means if we are targeting some old age people, they may not be familiar with the online methods. So what we need to do, we need to advertise the products in some other way, in such, or we should customize some application for them, so that they can very well use and understand the services that our company is providing. So we have to focus on the sales processes. We have to focus on the promotional channels, that what all ways are can be there in which we can promote our product. We have to set up the correct price for our products. So these are few of the components that are involved in the relational market.